But our forensic this thing is already showing that that knife has human blood on it. Listen! Your kitchen knife. Stand up. The grace. Think you were here for nonsense. They're asking you, you're telling another thing. I'm asking you, who has this knife? Answer them. It's your kitchen knife. Forensic result already is showing that that knife, understand me? That knife has human blood on it. So who did it?
What did you use to kill the girl? She was lying lifeless. She was lying lifeless when I found her.
Okay, so what is your own? So okay, he was lying lifeless. Okay, he was lying lifeless. And then who did you report to that she was lying lifeless? Okay, then who was the one that dismembered her? Okay, who is staying in that house with you? Only you. So if you are staying in the same house with a woman and he became lifeless and you did not report, and then wait now, and then they started dismembering the person, and you were still there staying with him, and she started smelling, and you were still
I was not there. I was sick.
You were sick.
I went to my brother's house where I received treatment for like 4 days.
Sick of what? Which hospital were you? Did you go to receive the treatment?
It's a pharmacy that you went to.
Oh, pharmacy that you took the medicine. So you locked the house and they left the dismembered body. You understand me? Which you didn't know who dismembered, according to you. Who else is staying in that house with you? How old? How old? How long ago now have you packed into that place?
Who put his body? And you just killed her.
Okoligwe Chinemere Damian. Imo State. Eh?
What brought you to police today?
That a girl was found dead in my house.
And how come about your body in your house?
I woke up and then I woke up and then the girl was lying lifelessly in my house.
You woke up, just the two of you in the house, or
Yes, just the two of us in the house.
you find that she lifeless?
Yes.
So what killed her?
I don't know what killed her. That's the problem. I don't know what killed her.
Packed our dead body.
Who did you report to?
I did not report to anybody. That was the mistake I made. I did not report to anybody. I just left.
Who packed the body inside the room?
It's not. I did not pack the body. It's not inside the Ghana mosque. It's inside the big bag, and I did not do anything. I just carried the body like that, and put on the wheelbarrow. But I now left, and then came back. It's me. It's me. I was trying to dispose it because I thought anybody that see this thing now will not blame it on me.
So what happened to her now before you packed it?
She was already dead. She was already dead at first.
So what killed her?
I don't know what killed her. That's the problem. I don't know. Maybe an autopsy.
Is she your girlfriend, as they say?
We used to like, we just used to make up and break up, and like,
You guys had a relationship.
yes, we had a relationship. Yes. Yes.
Okay, how long was she in your house before you found her dead?
It was just the night. She stayed the night. In the morning was when I found her dead.
Wait, she spent the night with you, and then you found her dead in the morning.
She spent the night in the room. I spent the night in the parlor. And then I found her dead in the morning in the room.
Okay, after you now found her dead, what next? Like, if you see somebody dead in your house, who spent the night with you, what are you supposed to do?
I was supposed to report, but I did not report because I was very scared. I don't know what to do. I was thinking if I report this thing now, everybody will blame it on me. Everybody will blame it on me. And look at it now. Everybody's blaming it on me. I don't know what to do. The dismember, I don't know. I did not dismember her body. The body was still intact now.
What was the last meal you people ate before that guy slept that night?
It was snacks and the Hollandia yogurt.
Who served her with the Hollandia yogurt?
Hollandia exotic actually. It's me. It's me that brought it now. It's both of us that drank it.
So after when you find out the body, since you did not report to the police, did you call any of our family member or our friend to report that this is what happened to her?
No, I did not.
Why?
Okay, when your brother came to the house, what did not what did you do?
I didn't even tell my brother. I did not tell anybody. I was just very scared because I did not know what to do.
Were you alone in the compound? Or do you have any other neighbors? And why didn't you report to your neighbors?
I did not report to my neighbors because I'm just new in the compound. I just moved in.
How long ago?
I moved in like a week ago.
And where is this thing happening?
Back of NTA.
On Wednesday, 25th of October 2023, at about 15:30 hours, operatives of Ozuba Division received a complaint from a good Samaritan and a neighbor. We intend to withhold the names, please. Of Road 20 at the back of NTA Ozuba on Wednesday at about 14:00 hours. That he came to report that he went to his house where one Damien Okoligwe, a fellow tenant, and perceived a very bad odor, and immediately rushed to the police station where the DPO led detective to the scene. On arrival, the door was forcefully opened and the Ghana must go bag containing a lifeless body was recovered. Back to the station, and in the search of the fleeing suspect, who happens to be the boyfriend of the deceased, one Damian Okoligwe, male, 24 years, a petrochemical engineer and 400-level student of UNIPORT, and the boyfriend of the victim, also an occupant of the house. Now the prime suspect was traced. And now the prime suspect, who was also traced last with this disease, was arrested for an inquiry. The lifeless body and butchered body of Justina Otuene, female, 20 years old, a biochemistry 300-level student at UNIPORT, was recovered and deposited at the mortuary. Preliminary investigation is in progress. The case has been transferred to State CID for discreet investigation. Meanwhile, the command has condoled with the family of the deceased, while urging young ladies to be cautious and careful about persons which they get involved with in the form of relationship.
After the training in the office where she was attached to on Friday, she was expected to come back home. But unfortunately, we didn't see her come back home. The story we got was that she was to attend the friend's party before coming back home. The friend later was the one who alerted the elder brother, that she didn't see her friend at the party. What happened? That was when we now knew that she was missing, because they tried to call her line was not going through. The mother, as I speak with you, is at the hospital right now. They are trying to resuscitate her because she is really devastated. And we'll appreciate the River State Police Command to actually do justice on this matter.